Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to play Sweet Home Alabama. First, let's go over the chords. Basically, this song has just 3 easy main chords, though there are 2 optional chords that can be omitted if they are too difficult for you. Those 2 chords are only made 3 times during the whole song. So, the main chords are D with the 4th string as a bass, C at 9 with the 5th string as a bass, and G with the 6th string as a bass. And the optional chords are F major and C major. Once you feel comfortable with switching between the chords, you can start working on the strumming. It's a beginner lesson, so we won't play the riff today. We'll start learning the strumming pattern. Now I'll show you what you will be able to play at the end of this lesson. Let's break down the pattern into 4 blocks to make it easier. The first 3 blocks are just the same rhythmically. You will only have to switch between the chords and play the right string as a bass. Now I'll play it slowly. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Pay attention, the first 2 times I play just the bass strings. I'll show you one more time. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. The last block is different and you'll have to pay attention to the right hand direction. I marked it with the arrows to make it clear. Down, up, down, up, up, down. And a little bit faster. Now let's put it all together. If you try to play the entire song along with the record, you will notice 3 places where the G chord doesn't match. It's because there are different chords there. Let me explain. It's okay to play the whole song using just 3 chords, especially if you are doing it by yourself without playing with the record. But if you want to play the right chords in those places, I'll show you how to do it. So, the first time when we encounter those chords is in the chorus part, right before the first guitar solo. During the last bar before the solo, instead of playing G, we should play 2 chords. F major, C major. If you're not familiar with the F chord and it's difficult for you to play it, you can play it a little bit different, like this. Make sure to strum only the strings 4, 3 and 2. To make it easier, try to mute the 1st and the 5th strings by touching them with your 1st and 3rd fingers. The whole strumming pattern will look like this. It's almost the same as the main pattern, but during the chords F and C, we just need to make 2 down strums. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. The next time when we can hear those chords is in the beginning of the 3rd verse, and the last time is in the last chorus. I remind you that if you find it difficult to play those chords, especially F, you can play the G chord instead. Now I'll play the pattern several times in a row, so you could practice it with me.